Okay guys, so I went to PT this morning and now I'm getting ready for class, but when I come back this whole room needs to be picked up. I done cleaned out in the living room because the house smelled weird. But I'm about to get ready for class, get my life together, and get pretty, and go to class. All right, catch up with you guys in the car. I got to check in with you guys. We are going our way to class, and yeah, so outfit cute. Gonna take pictures afterwards. Can't wait to see y'all after class. All right, bye. All right, hey guys, so I'm outside. This is some harsh ass light, but I just came from school. My brother dropped me off at this corner for me to take pictures closer to the house. So I am outside taking photos for the gram, and I need some oil in my hair. My hair is dry. But went to class. My outfit, you know, I got this white polo sweater on, black Amazon with some blue jeans and rain boots from Amazon. The jeans are Levi's, but we are about to head in the house because I got some photos, and yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. And everybody in the neighborhood is literally driving by like they've never seen someone talking to a camera. So that's what we're on our way doing. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Hold on. Had to put you guys in. But we're outside walking. Look how fall it is. It is so fall. Wait. There we go. Had to get some for the thumbnail. So we're walking home. Some exercise in. The fall colors are so pretty. I love living in Washington because then you see literally all of the leaves and things change colors. Everyone brings out their rain boots, heavy jackets, raincoats preferably, but that is how fall goes here in Washington. It's nice. It's pretty. It's very fall-y. I've been off of work for 30 minutes, and this weekly vlog is becoming a hot mess real quick. So we at the Mickey D's grabbing something to eat real quick. I just got a drink and a pumpkin pie. My brother had got a quarter pounder and some fries. Now him over here looking at me crazy like, why you telling all my business? But it's for the YouTube. It's for the tube. But today's gonna be a good day. Today at work was good. But I got 2 interviews with 2 places and stuff. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, like pretty much it is what it is. We out here making money and getting it left and right. But I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a little bit and stuff. Can you stop drinking up my Sprite? You see what I mean? But yeah, so I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a minute, and not even catch up with y'all in a minute. I'm so happy that I got 2 job interviews, because working where I've been working is they acting like they ain't really trying to hire people on permanently and making it very difficult to hire people on. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go get a job somewhere else. Thank God that 2 jobs asked me to interview for them. Like tomorrow I interview for one company, and then the next day on Thursday I interview for another company. So I'm pretty excited. Everything's falling into place like how it's supposed to be. And yeah, so, and I love how I have my mask at the bottom of my chin. Like, this is normal, but I guess this is the new normal. So, yeah. But I do want to show y'all my jewelry I got on today. So, I got on this Forever 21 jewelry. And then I got this from Forever 21. And this 1996 from, I think I got it from Pretty Little Thing. Yeah, I think I got it from Pretty Little Thing. So, yeah. But a lot has been going on, and I will catch up with y'all for real in a minute. All right, bye. All right, good morning. I look crazy as hell, but I just got out the shower. I woke up at 7, got up out the shower, and wait, that don't make sense. I woke up. Then I went in the bathroom to take a shower. And then I came out and made my smoothie breakfast. Because that's literally the only way I'm going to get the nutrients I need to, like, make my hair grow and keep my skin looking semi-clear. Like, But it's pretty good. It's just spinach, raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, and a banana with some flax seed and made with coconut milk. Yep. Because I can't do dairy. Like, dairy and me just don't mix. You know what I mean? Like, I'm like lactose, so I can't really have dairy like that. Like, how I really want to have dairy. Like, I can't have vanilla ice cream. You know what I mean? Like, oh, the delicious vanilla ice cream. Like, I usually get my cookies in. Like, I really love cookies and cream. Not cookies and cream. The chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream. Ooh, from Ben & Jerry's. Ooh, that's some good ice cream. Like, for real, that's really good ice cream. But I can't eat it like that. So I'm just like, ugh. So I have to eat the gelato ice cream that comes in those like clear containers with like the brown lids. So yeah. But I'm about to get ready for work. My hair needs to be done. Need to put a lot of eye makeup on under my eyes because we looking a little dead. But surprisingly, I went to bed on time. I'm shocked. Like, the past couple of nights I've been going to bed on time, so I'm like very shocked. Like, gonna be thinking like, how is this possible? Who is this person? I never wake up this early. This is not me. Like, for real. But I do need to figure out what video I'm doing for Wednesday next week, because I don't have anything scheduled. And I'm like thinking I could do a Pretty Little Thing haul is like what I'm thinking, but like I've already worn all like majority of the stuff, and the majority of it has been put on Pinterest, not Pinterest, on excuse me, on Instagram already. So I'm like, fuck. So I'm like thinking I could do like a story time. I could do a story time on a lot of things. I don't know which one yet, but I could do a story time for Wednesday's video. I could do a story time for Wednesday's video. I can either do a story time or do a truth or drink. So I don't know which one I'm going to do, but it's got to be done. So well, I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a minute. Sucking out my smoothie and get my hair done. I'll probably catch up with you guys after work, because you can't film at work. So yeah. All right, bye guys. Sorry this clip was like hella boring, but I just woke up. It is not like a popping morning right now. Like, it's only like a 10. Like, even though my morning's not going shitty, it's going good. But like at the same time, mornings were quiet. So I'll catch up with y'all in a minute or after work. Bye. Got some coconut. This is the brand I drink my milk with, so I'm pretty excited. We're gonna try the cookie dough more. And now we gotta go get some butter. What did you get? Chocolate chip cookie dough. Ooh. It's good?
That's what I got too.
I'll try a scoop first before I just buy it.
I don't know if it's good too. I don't know about that.
I'm gonna try it. TJ. Oh, they moved the whole shelf around. That's what I'm saying. It said unsalted. TJ, how much more shit we picking up? But those are cute though. TJ, I ain't like you. I would have paid you back. I hope y'all can see me. But it's, oh my god, it's just so grainy. Like you can't see. I guess it's because of the light. But I got a plastic bag on my head because I'm about to go take a shower. And we got to finish this vlog up today because it needs to be edited by tonight so it could go up tomorrow. Yeah. Go up by tomorrow. And then we start work at this second job tomorrow. That's interesting. So we start that tomorrow. Then it's like that. I light thing on my teeth. Then we start the second job tomorrow. That's from 8 to 3. Then after 8 to 3, we come home, get our life situated, and then we have one more week left in this place that I work at now before I go start my official new job in Bellevue the following week. Thank God I get paid on Friday because my hair needs to be washed and like butterfly locked up so I look good for work and put together because I just my hair is so it's been like, I want to say a month. Yeah, it's been a month of me not washing my hair. Like, granted, even though I'm African American and we don't have to like wash our hair like that, it feels like I left like braids in my head for like a month and didn't wash it. Now my scalp is just gross and like I'm ready to wash it. Like, it's just gross and all of that. So that's what's gonna happen, and I'm gonna wash my hair, I guess, either today after I come back from PT or before I do my nail. Like, I go to PT, then I'm gonna come home, do my nails. I don't know if I need to do my nails first or wash my hair first, you know what I mean? So because it's a process to washing my hair, and I just figured excuse me, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I think I'm gonna just blow dry it, put all my grease and stuff on it, and just blow dry it and braid it down for the week to wear to work. And then I think that's about it. I think that's what we're gonna have to do with our hair, because we gotta do a fill because our nails are lifting up now. And even though, the spiders are cute, they're cute for Halloween. I'm ready to switch them up. What is it? The place I work at, like, the kids will be like, "Ooh, I like your nails," because like it looks like, you know, like the red stones are like the eyes on the spider. Yeah. So yeah. But other than that, that's what I do. I'm gonna switch them up to something else. So I'm excited for that. Like, I realized that like I need to shave my entire body. I need to pluck my brows. I need to change my nails. I need to wash my hair. And like, it's a lot. It's a lot. And I gotta scrub my feet to get the dead skin off. Like, I kind of want to go back to start seeing my nail tech to do my nails. But I'm like, at the same time, I kind of enjoy just doing my nails myself than having to like rely on others to do my nails for me. So yeah, we're gonna get up, go take a shower, and get our life together and stuff for PT this morning. We are on our way to Northgate right now to return some stuff because we got a lot of stuff in Arizona that didn't fit right, so we're just gonna return it. We just came from the Wally World. Yes, I know, Wally World. But now that's what we're on our way to, and I think today I'm gonna end the vlog soon today because this vlog is ridiculously long and all over the place at the same time. So that's what our family outing is going to be, to the mall today. So I'll catch up with y'all when we get down there. Hey guys, we're at the Target right now. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, so I just got off of work, so it's storming outside. So apparently we're supposed to have a typhoon coming through. I guess it's either a typhoon is like a hurricane, right? But it's for the West Coast. But that's what's going on real quick. We're running to the Target again so my brother can get his bed sheets that he is desperately wanting in the middle of a storm. Like, them sheets gonna keep him extra warm in this storm. So yeah, I'll catch up with y'all at the Target.